Right there, there's a drone. I mean, it's low. But what's interesting, where'd it go? There's two of them. And they're flying in formation. Where'd the other one go? Maybe it hit the lights. Maybe it's listening. Look how close that is. I mean, that's not like a Walmart drone. That's like a military or maybe a police drone. The police swear that I brought this up to them because this happens almost every night. There it is. No, that's the tower. My bad. But, you know, people have the right to defend themselves and to know what's going on. Flying drones over someone's house, especially more than one. I've seen it where they had 3 before. And they were spraying some kind of brown shit over the moon. It wasn't even like chemtrails, it was brown. It wasn't like a contrail or a chemtrail. There's that ridiculously bright star that there has no explanation for. I don't think that's Venus. I don't think that's Venus. We're going to put some, you know, there's the other one. See, there's the one right above the radio tower. You see the flashing? Just slightly above the big red light, there's a smaller red light. There's the other one. 2. And then there's that ridiculously bright star that, I mean, is it the International Space Station? Is there an explanation? Is that what's putting people under mind control? Is it the Eye of Ra? Like, what is that? Is it Nibiru? Is it Planet X? Is it something else? Is it some kind of freaking weird game show for human, you know, it's like Pokemon Go, but for humans. Gang stalking. Creepiest thing I've ever heard. Seems impossible, but it's definitely a real thing. Anyways, did a little cleaning earlier. I might as well just end this, but yeah, I did a little cleaning earlier. There's some minor stalking going on. Not really, you know, anything I couldn't handle. It's just usually when I start cleaning, especially like my yard, I mean, people will start screaming like they're in pain. Like it's hurting them that I'm trying to better myself or clean my property. I'm like, bro, I don't know if it's that giant eyeball in the sky. You know, I can't tell if that's me or what I'm up against. And that's just a joke. But what is that? I don't think that's Venus. Is there an explanation? In fact, like, it looks like it just got brighter. Like, that's artificial, bro. Is it the black cube of Saturn? Also found in Mecca, Denmark, and elsewhere? Is it Metatron's cube? Is it something else? Is it Chinese? Is it something sick like Pokemon Go but for humans? Like a giant eyeball in the sky but artificial? Not like the Eye of Ra or consciousness or a god, but more or less like a giant gang stalking fucking eyeball telescope thing. Gross. Well, the rest of the stars look pretty. If they're even real. You know, because I've seen them do some weird things as well. Yeah, more or less. I'll just end it by saying, the more gang stalker-ish a person is, and I mean that on the, on the gang stalker part, not the victim part, not the gang stalkee, but the gang stalker, it's directly connected with intelligence and consciousness. The more intelligent and conscious a person is, the less likely they are to be a gang stalker. The dumber and lower consciousness a person is, the more likely they are to be a participant in what's quote unquote called gang stalking. It's pathetic. It's directly linked to intelligence. You can barely still see that drone. I bet my camera can't even pick it up. Alright, I'm gonna end this.